Hey, good day folks out there, it's Olushola Adebisi in the studio. You are welcome to today's Makossa lesson. So before we get into the lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Please ensure to put on the notification bell so as for you not to miss any video updates. Let's get to the class. So the first line goes like this. Breakdown is this: you have a sweep picking playing your chord 1 triad, so do mi do ti la so mi, something like that. So do mi do ti la so mi. Then you play your triad inversion of chord 4. Now together. So mi la fa do la so. So all together. Then the other part is this. Mi re do la. Then arpeggio of chord 4. Fa la do fa mi re do la so. Mi re do la. You can see. You pull up from re, that's root. You're pulling off back to re, do, la, fa, la, do. So all together. Slide back to la, so to resolve. Now playing it slowly. Slowly. That's the first click. Now you're welcome to the breakdown of the second line. The second line is a bit tricky because it's more of me spelling out the chord one by one. That is, I'm spelling out in the lines that I'm playing. So the line is this. So it's more of a chord, that is for your chord 1, I play so mi re do so. Then for your chord 4, I play. Then for your chord 5, I play la to ti re so fa mi do. Then for your chord 4. Then for the chord 1 I play. So the breakdown is so mi re do so la do fa mi do la do ti re so fa mi do la so fa la do fa mi do so mi re mi. Now slowly. So mi re do so. You can see that hammer off, that pull off, and hammer on, pull off. So the first part is, the second part is, the third part is, then back to the second part, then back to the one. So all together, slowly. Here's the third line. This third line is just a combination of pentatonic scale and the major scale. So they are into each other in this line. So the breakdown is this. So the first part is like a chord and the second part is a response. So the breakdown more in a more slow manner. This is what you have. Pentatonic sequence, then to major scale. That's the chord. Something like that. So the pentatonic sequence, major scale starting, then pentatonic sequence again, back to major scale. Then the second part is so you are re so la ti, then you slide to fa, then you do re mi do mi. So all together. For the last line in this lesson, we have this lick. So you go to the next octave, come here, you play. What you do is you roll your pick on the same string. You do alternate picking. Do down up, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up, something like that. So you have alternate the first note, then so mi re do, that's the pentatonic, then la so fa la do, so mi re do, then la so, then arpeggio of chord 4. Fa la do fa, then all together so mi re do la so fa la do fa mi re so, si so. You slide back to have that effect. So I'm going to play it more slowly. Welcome to the end of the lesson. I would like you to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so as for you not to miss any video update. See you in the next lesson. Please do well to practice.